Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to set up alerts and notifications in Power BI. Have you ever wished your Power BI reports could do more than just display data? Imagine having them act as your diligent assistants, keeping an eye on your key metrics and notifying you whenever significant changes occur. That's exactly what we're diving into today. By setting up alerts and notifications in Power BI, you can ensure that you and your team stay informed about crucial data updates without constantly monitoring dashboards. By the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently configure alerts that send emails or Microsoft Teams messages whenever your data crosses the thresholds that matter most to you. Let's jump right into it. First, navigate to your Power BI dashboard where your visuals are displayed. Here, you'll notice an option at the top to set an alert. This is a powerful feature that essentially allows Power BI to do the heavy lifting for you, flagging those pivotal moments that need your attention. Go ahead and click on Set Alert. This action will open a new window where you can select the visual you wish to monitor. For instance, you might have a KPI card showing total sales, or perhaps a gauge indicating the number of tickets in your queue. Simply choose the visual that you want the alert for. It's important to note that alerts can only be set on specific visuals that support this feature. These include visuals like gauge, card, or KPI visuals. So if you don't see your chart listed, double-check to ensure that it's a supported type. Once you've selected your visual, the next step is to choose the data point or measure that you are interested in. Let's say you want to be alerted when sales surpass a specific target. Click to select the relevant data, such as total sales for this example. Think of this process as instructing Power BI to keep a close eye on this particular number for me. Now, let's move on to setting the condition. This part allows you to define what will actually trigger the alert. You'll come across several options here, such as when the value changes, increases by, or decreases by a certain amount. However, the most common scenario for most users is when the value goes above or below a predetermined threshold. For demonstration purposes, let's set it to greater than. Then, enter the value that is critical to you. For example, you might want to be notified anytime sales exceed $10,000. This is where Power BI starts acting like a vigilant assistant, keeping watch for that moment so you don't have to. After defining the condition, it's time to decide how you'll receive notifications. Power BI can send alerts either via email or directly to Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful if you're collaborating with a group and want everyone to be informed, or if you prefer a personal heads-up in your inbox. Simply type in the email addresses or Teams channels where you want the alert sent. Remember, you can add multiple recipients, which is great for sharing real-time updates with your finance team, for example. Once you've filled in where to send the alerts, clicking Apply is your final step. Your alert is now live. Keep in mind that depending on the size of your dataset, Power BI might take a little time to set everything up. So don't worry if you don't get an immediate notification. The system regularly monitors these conditions and will alert you as soon as your criteria are met. There's actually another method to set up alerts, which could be even quicker for some users. While viewing a visual, you might notice the three-dot menu, often referred to as the ellipsis, in the top right corner. By clicking on these three dots, you'll find an option to Add Alert. The setup process here is quite similar. Pick the condition, set the value, and choose how you want notifications sent. This shortcut is perfect when you're already analyzing your data and spot a metric you want to automate. And that's all there is to it. You now have Power BI looking out for you, ready to send notifications to your inbox or Microsoft Teams whenever your key metrics hit those vital milestones. Setting up these alerts can save you countless hours of manual number checking and ensure you never miss out on the moments that matter most in your business. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to set up alerts and notifications in Power BI quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to set up alerts and notifications in Power BI, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.